welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're all having an amazing day. So I'm excited. We have our June My Paper Box grand unboxing. I'm already loving it because you can see the flamingos and palm leaves. So it's already screaming summer. Yay! So let's get in here and see what June has for us. Now, for those of you that are not familiar with My Paper Box, they do offer two different subscriptions. They offer the Grand, which is this one, and a Mini. The Mini comes with 3 different personalized notepads every month for $10, and the Grand comes with a variety of items. It could be note cards or notepads, it could be cards, journals, all kinds of stuff, usually a beautiful calendar every month, and it is $28. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for either of the subscriptions. And again, I love that it is personalized. As you can see here, it does have my name, so yay. But let's get in here. I think this is going to be so cute. So it says, "Hello, fabulous." And then this is what we see. It says, "Welcome to June, Nicki." And if this is like last month, let me see. It is. They just started doing this, and I think this is super awesome. They tell you in here, in your Welcome to June, what like each day, or if there's a certain day that has a special holiday or something. Like June 1st is Say Something Nice Day. June 3rd is Leave the Office Early Day. June 4th is Hug Your Cat Day. June 7th is National Donut Day. June 8th is Best Friends Day. June 10th is Iced Tea Day. We have, let's see, June 21st is Take Your Dog to Work Day. And then obviously the 16th is Father's Day. The 26th is Chocolate Pudding Day. So it just tells you about all the different days, which is really awesome. And then it kind of can tell you it tells you how to celebrate and different things. So I think that's super cute. They started that last month and I really do enjoy that. All right, so the first thing I see here are some really cute little, are these like postcards? Or just like note cards? Let's see. So these are just, I'm guessing maybe like a postcard or a note card. They have my name and a flamingo, and then on the back, pineapples and palm leaves. I love this because pineapples are one of my favorite as far as like decor and stuff. I think they're so beautiful and I just really love it. And I definitely think pineapple, flamingos, and palm leaves screams summer. So we're getting summer off to a fantastic start. Put these back in here so they don't get messed up. My like stationery collection and cards and notepads, it's ridiculous because of this subscription. I love it. I have like a card and things for every occasion. So, this is Nicki. Be a flamingo in a flock of pigeons. That is awesome. So this is actually, okay, so this is our little pop-up calendar this month. And so it has obviously the dates and everything. And then down here, again, it kind of references those days and different holidays and things. So that is awesome. This is so cute. I love this. I love that right there. So that was our calendar. Here we have a big notepad. It says Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then we have a Saturday and Sunday checklist and shopping list, so we could make like a really good to-do list and keep track of things with this. I love this. And it's got quite a few sheets, so you're good to go at least for the entire month of June. And let's see. All right, so it looks like we're getting into some cards. And this one says, this is a Father's Day card, obviously. It says, "Dad, well done." I turned out awesome. I guess that means you're kind of awesome. Beers to you. Happy Father's Day. Oh, I love that. That is awesome. That's funny. And then it does come with an envelope. And then we have another card. It says, if I didn't know you, my life would really suck. But if you look at it, it's almost like you suck. Oh, and then you open it and there's like 2 popsicles. Thanks for being a big part of my life. Happy Best Friends Day 2019. That is so cute. That is adorable. I really like that. And then let's see. It says, I'm glad we stuck together. Some little cacti. Those are so cute. I'm glad we're friends. Happy Best Friends Day. Cute. Love it, love it, love it. They come up with some of the cutest designs. I mean, they really, really do. All right, and then it looks like we have one more thing in here. And this says a little something to make your stationery non-stationary. I've never seen them put anything like this in the box. All right, let's see. What is this? This is so cute. It's like a little flamingo tote. That is so cute. And it's the same on both sides. Oh, I like that. Who would ever think you would get a cute little tote bag in a stationery subscription? That's adorable. Oh, I love that. So we got this cute bag. We got the I'm glad we stuck together. If I didn't know you, my life would really suck. The two best friends cards. The dad, well done. I turned out awesome. Father's Day card, which is great. We got the great checklist and to-do list, shopping list. So that's awesome. Those come in really handy. They have kept me very organized. And then we got our cute little pop-up calendar like every month, and I really again do love this be a flamingo in a flock of pigeons. And then some cute little note cards here. Again, the back is super adorable as well with the palm leaves and pineapples. And then again, I am really liking that they're including this every month. This is, like I said, the second month, but it tells you about every day, because you know there's like every day there is some sort of holiday, and then kind of how to celebrate it. So if it's something that, you know, you enjoy, like iced tea day would be something I would really like. Let's actually see what it says for that. Because this is Monday, June 10th is iced tea day. Say hello to summer and celebrate this delicious and refreshing holiday by treating yourself to a big glass of iced tea. How to celebrate: mix up a fresh batch of iced tea, have your friends and family over to enjoy the day outdoors with some iced tea. So that is fun. I love sweet tea. I live in the South. It's kind of a staple. So, but yes, I do really enjoy that. So that was our June 2019 My Paper Box Grand. Let me know what you guys think. I'm so tickled and like shocked in a way that we got a cute little tote bag in a stationery subscription. That is adorable. So again, like I said, let me know what you guys think. Do you get this? I thought this was so cute. Anything flamingos, pineapples, I'm down for. So, and the fact that it's all personalized, I love too. So again, I will leave a link down below if you would like to sign up. They do have this grand subscription. Like I said, it's $28, and then they have the mini, which includes 3 notepads every month for $10. So that link would be down below if you would like to sign up. I hope you guys are having an amazing day and an amazing summer. And yeah. So again, everything will be down below. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch me unbox the June 2019 My Paper Box Grand. Have a fabulous day, and I will talk with you guys with the next video. Bye.